Okay, so this is Google TV on Windows. That's right, guys, you did hear me correctly. This is Google TV on Windows. As you can see, I can watch stuff that's available on Google TV. I can install third-party applications. And I'm gonna show you today how to run Google or Android TV on your Windows PC. Coming up. Okay, so let me show you what you can do with it first of all. So if you don't know already, which I'm sure you do, this is Google TV. And you can cite note apps like any other Android device, since this Android emulator, folks. So let me demonstrate for you. So let me search the Google Play Store for downloader. Here it is right here, guys. Downloader. So I'm gonna click on it. Then I'm gonna install it. And this is like if I was on a Google TV device, such as a Chromecast. I'm then gonna allow unknown sources. As you can see, everything's the same as it would be on Google TV. So if I go to System, and then I scroll down to and enable the developer options in About, and then I'm gonna tap Build 7 times till it says you're now a developer. Push back, and then I'm gonna scroll down to this one. Go back again and go to apps, and then security and restrictions, unknown sources. I'm gonna enable downloader. Why now that's all done, push home. And then I'm gonna install an APK on downloader. So you can use your keyboard and mouse on this. So as you can see, guys, it's as if I was just using the normal Google TV Chromecast. And then I'm gonna accept the cookies, and then I'm gonna choose Aptide TV. I'll wait for that to install. As you can see, very fast. I'm gonna click on install, and app installed. Click done, click delete, then delete again. Right. I'm using the home button, and then there's Aptide TV. So what I'm gonna do now is allow Aptide to install unknown apps. So back here, security and restrictions, unknown sources, make sure that's on for Aptide. Go back home, and then let's open up Aptide TV, and let's get an app installed. And as you can see, I'm using Aptide TV with my keyboard. So if I wanted, say, this let's install next, for example. So sorry if you can hear my keyboard now as well, guys. I'm not banning on it, it's just a mechanical keyboard, so sorry if you can hear my keyboard clicking away. But anyways, let's install next. And this could be useful if you say a courses what you're installing on your devices, or maybe you want to test the app on another device. This is a great way to do it via Android emulator. Or maybe you just wanna use apps that aren't available on Windows. Click done. Home button. Next. I'm gonna open it up. And I can then show all my content. So skip sign up. And there we go, folks. So next.tv, wanna find on my Google TV emulator, so we call it, folks. And obviously you can sign out any app on your Windows emulator. So let's show you how to get this, guys. Right, guys, so to get this emulator, so we call it, open up any browser on your Windows PC. I'm not sure if you can do this on Mac, but it is worth trying. And all you're typing in your browser is Android Studio, guys. So Android Studio, click enter, and then you should see Android Studio getting the latest version. Left click it, and then you wanna download the Android Studio just there. So click on that, scroll down, just tick the box, then say download, and then we can put it in our downloads folder. And then that's downloading now. Not sure if you can see that, but it's downloading on the PC. So we're gonna give that a second. Okay, so once it's finished, we're gonna open up our downloads folder just by going to any file manager on our computer. And as you can see in Explorer, you should see Android Studio. Double click it. It will then ask for your device to give access to the program. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click on yes. And then it will now move on with the installation. So let's click on next. Next again. And then we're gonna leave this. Click on install. We can now show a browser because it's no longer required. And yeah, we'll just wait for this to install. Right, so it says completed just there. We're gonna click on next. Then we're gonna say start studio. We're gonna tick that. We're gonna click on finish. And now we'll open up. Android Studio. And if I move this is what you'll see, folks. So we're in Android Studio. Now what we need to do, we need to click on where it says more accents just there. And then we're gonna click on virtual device monitor. Right, so you're here, and then we're gonna click on create device, and then we're gonna say TV, folks. So click on TV, and then just click on Android TV 1080p. Let's click on next, and then we're gonna download the latest image. So this is Android 11 Google TV, or I can install Android TV 11. So I'm gonna install Android TV 11, but you can just Google if you want to. So once you've clicked on that, you're gonna scroll down, and then it says system image must be installed to continue. So click on the down arrow just there, and that's gonna download the actual Android image for us, guys. So just give it some time. Right, so now it says done. So now we can click on finish, and then we can proceed with this image. So Android TV 11. So we're gonna click on next, and then we're gonna rename this to Android TV 11, or whatever you guys want. So we're gonna click on finish, and this is our machine now, folks. But as you can see, the size is small, folks, 513 megabytes. You wanna click on the pen, and then we're gonna click on advanced settings, and then we're gonna change the internal storage. So there. So right now is 512 megabytes. But if I change that to gigabytes, and I would recommend just put 32 gigabytes in. So 32 gigabytes from the SD card, and that will be 32 gigabytes from the internal storage as well. So once you typed them in, obviously you can type in whatever you like. You can even go up to terabytes, but let's just leave it this 32 gigabytes. We're gonna click on finish, and then now we'll create the disk. Okay guys, so we're gonna have this out. So now we're gonna click on the play button, and then that will load up, hopefully, Android TV. This came up on my main monitor. Now just drag it here so you guys can see it loading up. There we are, Google. So we're gonna give that a second, and this is just fifth. I was on a NVIDIA Shield or any other Google box. Oh, and one thing to bear in mind, which you probably already have, but if not, you will need to set up a Google account with Google. So set up a Google account and use it to sign in with this, because if you don't, it just won't work, folks. Here we go, folks. So it is working. So I'm guessing to use the Play Store you will have to set up a Google account, but as you can see, by default it gives us these recommendations on YouTube, and this is actually Android TV and not Google TV that I shown you earlier. But I can open up, say, YouTube's building, and will not know? Yes, it will, folks. So let me just type in streaming. This is, we're close to 2k subs, guys, so thanks very much, and let's watch one of my videos. And that's name enormous. That's name enormously, folks. Like fast forward here. And Bob's young cool. It's working, folks. So as I said, you can side note your apps on here. As you can see, it's adding music in here. If you don't like that, what you can do is go left again, and then to the minus, click on remove on each one, and that just gets rid of them. And obviously you want your downloader app, so you can get that from the Google Play Store. Bob's your uncle, you've got Android or Google TV on your Windows or Mac, folks. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and with all that being said, take care and have a great day.